No hammers, flamethrowers, cars, etc. Do a full investigation. Let's go! Rock and roll. My name's Aaron. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and today I'm gonna teach you how to ride a You Make It, We Skate It? Is that what we're gonna, You Make It, We Skate It? This is the series where you made it and you sent it in to us and we're gonna skate it. If you have an idea, let us know. Send us an email, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Today, we have this. We literally have no idea what is in here. No idea in any way, shape, or form. All we know is that it's from Elijah Peterson / Skate the Earth. And it's an extremely heavy box and quite long. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it. I probably shouldn't have opened it with the screwdriver like that. I feel like I'm unearthing something from Encino Man. Like we're building the pool and then we're like, whoa, there's a Encino Man in there. This is Skate the Earth. I think that pretty much sums it up. Well, at least it came fully gripped. There is a note. Hey Braille team, my name is Elijah Peterson and I live in Wisconsin. I've been watching your videos for the past couple years and I really appreciate everything you guys do at the Braille House. You guys are really helping give skaters a good rep. Thank you so much. I made this oak longboard last year just for a fun project and I realized that it would be a great candidate for You Make It, We Skate It. We need like a whole theme song. Dude, that'd be amazing. It's 53 inches long, 10 inches wide, 1 inch thick, and around 17 pounds. Oof. You'll probably need some spacers on it since there isn't any concave. Good point. I would like to see someone try to break this just by skating it. No hammers, flamethrowers, cars, etc. LOL, I kickflipped it, so I want to see someone on the Braille team do the same or better. Good luck. Also, wouldn't mind seeing a no slide. Check out my Instagram @SkateEarth, where I post a lot of longboarding and skateboarding content. I'm also working on coming out with my own brand of skating accessories. Shout out. Also check out noodleman_77, which is my skiing account. I ski for BPM Skis. Have fun and God bless, Elijah. God bless you, Elijah. This is amazing. Thank you so much for sending this in to us. We are going to do our best, carry on your legacy and skate the earth. I can't believe he kickflipped this. He had to kickflip this. Feel this thing. That's like a massive situation occurring there. Hey Blue, get us longer hardware. All right guys, we literally searched the entire Braille house everywhere and we found this hardware, which is the longest hardware we could find, but it's totally stripped. So then we were like, well, I guess we can't skate this. And then I had a brilliant idea. Just drill halfway through it with this and then put the hardware in. We're only gonna do 2 hardware because, you know, I just feel bad about drilling this board at all. Did I accidentally go through the whole thing? You know, it's oak, it's really hard wood. Okay, that should do the trick. Would you like me to throw the football for you? What in the world? The holes don't even match up. I don't know what kind of trucks they were using. Yeah, maybe longboard trucks. Okay, fine. Well, we're gonna have to use 2 bolts anyways. Don't just drill a hole through the whole thing. Try to break it, no flamethrowers. True fan of the channel knows we will do flamethrowers on this board. I think we be golden. 73 days later, we got a skateboard set up. Oh yeah, victory. You guys ready? Something seems a little odd about this. Like it looks like the truck is crooked to me. After I get it fully on here though, we'll do a full investigation. After 8 long hours, we finally got the truck on there. But look, like even if it did match up to those holes, man, it does look a little crooked. Whatever though, first things first, kickflip off. I don't think anything's possible on this. Do you guys think anything's possible on this? Actually, this might be a good dog for a skateboard. This might be a good skateboard for a dog. He'll do anything for this football. Get on the skateboard. Get right on that. Oh, wow. Okay. The oak actually feels quite nice. Surf the earth, bro. Let's go. this? No way. It actually feels really fun to skate. It's just massive. Starting it off easy. Wow, that almost impaled me. Dude, I don't think any tricks are possible on this whole thing. 10 minutes later, it's tray flipped. Pop shove it, first try. Dude, fail. Got him. What we should do is search his Instagram and see if the kickflip is on there. All right, I do think it can be kickflipped. I do think it is possible. How many tries you give me, Daniel? 5 tries? All right, I'll give it a 5 solid tries. I mean, it's basically like kickflipping a human body. And I have done that before, so I could do it here as well. Boom, black. I probably should have set these trucks up on these ones, so I have a little more tail. Because look at that. Not too much pop. What do you give me first try if I land this first try?
Jamba Juice.
You'll actually go get a Jamba Juice. I will take the one with no ice cream, no sherbet. First try, let's go. You think I had that? You thought I had it? Wow, you had that much faith in me? I thought I had it too. Wow, I'm really impressed with myself though. I actually landed it first try. This might be the actual first try in 15 years. A nose slide. Hey Mogely! Mogely, come nose slide this. I got another trick. First try, kickflip. Let's see if you got it.
Have you done it?
No. It's hard, right? You gotta flick down. You never kickflipped a surfboard before?
No.
Don't worry though, it only took me 1 try. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. Made me sound like such a jerk. Boy, I told you! The world's best skateboard instructor. Learn how to skateboard at brailleskateboarding.com. You got it, full commitment. Let's go! I can just hold it on there and you can run and jump. What the heck? Are you okay? He also wanted to see if we could break it without using flamethrowers.
Oh, I got it.
Leave us a comment below if that's a nose slide. I mean, roll the fakie and you got it. Oh boy! You land that, we're a go. You be careful, you're gonna get hurt. That big board is gonna run over your toes and you're gonna get hurt. Be careful. Oh boy! Let's go. Caveman board slide? I mean, it's only like 80 pounds. Blue just wants to give you a round of encouragement. Ollie over here wants to eat the skin off of your body. Maybe a little grotesque, but hey, it's what he's thinking. What do you guys think? If you had to make a pun for this video, what would it be? The dog's just trying to get a bone. Got him! Broken, fully broken. Look at this. I'm gonna say that was my construction. Well, that shouldn't be too hard of a fix though. All those people, all those years talking about how 2 holes don't work. And now we have proof. When you want to surf the earth but skate is life. Oh boy, first try! First try! He got it! Tell him good job. Dude, like nothing. Vert dog. They can't be contained.
What kind of wood is this?
Oak.
This is not breaking.
First try right here, 20 bucks.
Oh! I didn't pop it. It didn't pop. I thought it was just gonna go.
Kind of late flipped.
Alright, that one worked.
Perfect.
Better.
So good. Oh boy. Mini ramp champ. Oh boy. 50 bucks for a kickflip to fakie. First try. You got tricks on this, Seth? You got your sandals on.
Ate the earth.
Yeah, boy. Rock and roll. Lost the sandal. Ain't nobody dope as me, yeah. I'm so fresh and clean. So fresh and so clean, clean. All day, all night. Tray flip. Pressure flip. I just feel the oak landing on my toe and just breaking every bone. This, set down, 100% land. Right here, baby. Ow! Ow! I don't even know what happened. Watch this. It's for you, brother. Say I won't pressure flip it.
You won't.
Okay. How about this then? They keep giving me a hard time. They're like, 20 years, 20 minutes. Oh boy. Should we try and focus it? Ow! Literally impossible to break unless you have, yes, a flamethrower. If anybody has an idea or has something that you've made, send us an email, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's fun, and you'll have fun. Let's go.